Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to solve one more problem in force in space, equilibrium of particle. Determine the tension in the cable AB, AC, AD if the crate shown in figure is of weighing 9.07 kg. Positions of A, B, C, D are given. So the particle A is in equilibrium. Particle A is in equilibrium. The forces acting on the particle are TAD, TAC, TAB and weight. So first you have to find the four forces in vector form. Four forces acting on the particle A in vector form. So first, how to find the TAD vector? So the forces acting on the particle A are TAD vector and then TAC vector then TAB vector and then W vector. So these are the four forces acting on the particle A. So one by one you have to find first. First TAD vector equal to TAD tension in the cable AD into n cap of AD vector. So how to find n cap of AD vector? AD vector divided by magnitude of AD vector. So n cap of AD vector. So first you got to find AD vector. How to find AD vector? Equal to position vector of D vector, OD vector minus OA vector. So what is OD vector? OD vector equal to 0.76 I vector plus 0.91 J vector 0.76 I vector plus 0.91 J vector minus OA vector equal to 0.46 I vector plus 0.46 J vector plus 0.46 K vector. So from that AB vector equal to what is AD vector? AD vector equal to 0.3 I vector plus 0.45 J vector minus 0.46 K vector. So the AD vector over AD vector next you have to find n cap of AD vector. How to find n cap of AD vector? N cap of AD vector. AD vector divided by magnitude of AD vector. So 0.3 I vector plus 0.45 J vector minus 0.46 K vector divided by root of 0.3 square plus 0.45 square plus minus 0.46 square. From that n cap of AD vector equal to, what is n cap of AD vector? N cap of AD vector equal to 0.423 0.423 I vector plus 0.634 j vector minus 0.648 k vector. So n cap of AD vector equal to n cap of AD vector. So TAD vector equal to TAD vector equal to TAD vector equal to TAD into n cap of AD vector. So TAD into 0.423 I vector plus 0.634 j vector minus 0.648 k. This is our equation 1. Similarly, you got to find the remaining vectors TAC and TAB and W vector. How to find TAC vector? TAC vector equal to TAC vector equal to TAC into n cap of AC vector. So next you got to find AC vector. AC vector equal to OC vector minus OA vector. OC vector minus OA vector. Which one is OC vector? I vector common J 0. So 0.91 J vector 0.91 J vector plus 1.37 K vector minus OC vector minus OA vector minus 0.46 I vector plus 0.46 J vector plus 0.46 K vector. So from that AC vector equal to minus 0.46 I vector plus 0.45 J vector plus 0.91 K vector. So AC vector over. Now n cap of AC vector equal to AC vector divided by magnitude of AC vector. So n cap of AC vector equal to n cap of AC vector equal to minus 0.413 I vector plus 0.404 J vector plus 0.82 K vector. So TAC vector equal to, from that TAC vector equal to TAC into n cap minus 0.413 I vector plus 0.404 J vector plus 0.82 K vector. So this is equation 2. This is equation. TAD vector equal to first vector component and second vector. Force in vector form. And third force, TAB vector. How to find TAB vector? TAB vector equal to TAB into n cap of AB vector. So first you got to find AB vector equal to OB vector minus OA vector. So AB vector equal to, from that AB vector equal to OB vector minus OA vector. From that AB vector equal to minus 0.46 I vector. So n cap of AB vector equal to minus I vector. So TAB vector equal to TAB into minus I vector. So minus this is equation 3. TAB vector equal to TAB into. So fourth equation W vector equal to minus 9.07 into in terms of mass kilogram. So convert into Newton, multiply by 9.81. Okay, multiply by 9.81. So W vector equal to minus 88.98 J vector. This is equation 4. Now 4 forces in the vector form is available. Now at equilibrium state, I vector component, sum of I vector, algebraic sum of I vector components equal to 0, sum of J vector components equal to 0, sum of K vector components equal to 0. So first at equilibrium state, first sum of I vector components equal to 0. You have to find first equation. Point 423 TAD minus 0.413 TAC minus TAB equal to 0. And then algebraic sum of J vector components equal to 0. You have to find the second equation. 0.634 TAD plus 0.404 TAC minus 8898 equal to 0. And then algebraic sum of K vector component equal to 0 minus 0.648 TAD plus 0.82 TAC equal to 0. Now solving the these three equations by using scientific calculator, equation mode, equation. How to solve? By using scientific calculator. Okay, take the calculator, press the mode button, the top mode button, select equation 1. Now number of unknowns 3, TAD, TAC and TAB. So press 3. Now A1 question mark. What is A1 value? 0.423. So you have to type 0.423, and then equal to, press equal symbol. Now B1 equal to what? Minus 413. So minus 0.413. Next equal. What is C1 equal to what? Minus 1. C1 equal to minus 1. Equal. D1 equal to what? 0. And then equal. A2 equal to what? 0.4634. So we got to type 0.634 and then equal symbol. D2 equal to what? 0.404. And then equal symbol. What is C2 value? C2 value equal to 0. No TAB available. So C2 value equal to 0. And then equal. D2 value equal to, next equal to positive symbol. So 88.98. And then next equal. A3 equal to what? Minus 648. Minus 0.648 equal. B3 equal to what? 0.82 equal. AB equal to 0, third component. C3 equal to 0. So 0 equal to D3 also equal to 0. Now once again press equal. first x component value, TAD equal to, answer, TAD equal to 93.34 Newton. TAD equal to, from the calculator, TAD equal to 93.34 Newton. And then once again press equal, second component y equal to TAC equal to, second component TAC equal to 73.76 Newton. TAC equal to 73.76 Newton. 73.76 Newton. And then once again press equal, third component Z equal to TAB equal to 9.02 Newton. 9.02 Newton. Yeah, 9.02 Newton. TAD equal to 9.02 Newton. So these are the cable tensions. TAB equal to TAC equal to TAD equal to. So the answer. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical lecture series. Thank you.